Hey guys, so the video that I've recorded before this was me making these molds, and if you didn't see that, I'll be sure to link it down below. We are just going to be demolding these molds today. We're going to be taking out the items inside of the molds, and we're just going to be looking at how they came out. Now, I haven't touched them since we created them, and I gave them a full day to cure. And these are molds that I have created in the past, mostly that I use for clay when I'm working with clay. But some of these I think we can use for nail art. Some of them I have made, tiny enough to use for nail art. And I do like this mold putty because it is flexible, as you can see. But what I have noticed with these molds, if you got to be very careful when you're adding, let's say, gel polish to these molds, because since they're not clear, they don't like to, I shouldn't say they don't like to, but they have a little bit of problem kind of curing all the way through. So sometimes when I'm done with the item, I'll pop out the piece and I'll actually turn it over and cure it again so that the other side can be cured, and hopefully we can cure it all the way through. So that's the only difference between like the clear molds and these molds. You just have to give, these a little bit more time to cure. I am in the middle of doing my nails, so please excuse the way that my nails look, but those were the nail tips that I am using. If you'd like to see me use these molds and you would like to see how they work, then definitely stay tuned for the next video. I'm very curious to see how these are going to work, being as they are so tiny. I'm hoping that they cure correctly. For nail art, I would definitely stick to the clear molds. Those molds, the light of the lamp can definitely penetrate all the way through, and you won't have a mold with curing. So I would definitely recommend the clear molds for nail art. I'm going to stop talking so that you can enjoy the rest of the video. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I will check back in with you in just a few moments. I really hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you guys so much for stopping by, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.